Okay, step one, remove all the screws from your mud flap and remove your hitch. Okay, next step, once the hitch is off and the snow flap is off, mark a line that's basically 32nd of an inch or so, up to 1/16 behind the flat metal edge, and cut along that line so that the plywood is just off the edge of the back of the frame. There it is, cut off now, flush. Now just give it a shot of spray paint and cover your plywood. Next thing you have to do is cut out notches so that the snow flap will fit over the bars that hold the scratchers. You can draw a line right even with this last boss out here for the snow flap mounting bolt, and then over here right to this angle, again draw a line out, go down an inch, cut across, do the same here, right even with this angle, come in an inch, right even with the edge of this, come in an inch, and then just cut those out like that, and then you'll see that they will fit in. It's in nice and flush now, up tight on both sides, so that's why you need to cut those out. Okay, next is to do a test fit and make sure all of the holes align, and you may have to enlarge a few of them because all these SnowDogs are welded together, not exactly the same. So if it's off a little bit, just enlarge a couple of the holes if you have to. This one aligns really well. I just have to make a little adjustment to 2 of the holes and then it should go right on. Okay, here's the hitch mounted. Put blue Loctite on these. Don't over tighten them because it's nut certs in there. Also don't cross thread them. They need to go in perfectly straight. All those across, and then the 2 on the top. Don't worry about if you have to elongate the hole or make it a little bigger to make things align. Because like I say, these are not in the exact same spot on every single SnowDog. Again, these are snug. Put your stock hitch bolts back in without your hitch. 12 millimeter wrench on the front, 13 on the back. And these are 10 millimeter, same length as the stock screws. You can use the stock screws if you want, but they're a little bit soft, the steel. This is better quality. And then you can take your scratchers off if you don't need them. So that's it. All mounted up.